What is Hinduism? Hinduism is the transcendental science. Hinduism is the ever evolving transcendental science of consciousness. Consciousness is the all pervading, all encompassing, all manifesting, divine infinite energy that is the underlying, indestructible, indivisible, eternal, divine life force of everything that is known as well as that is unknown, as well as that which is beyond known and unknown. All that have existed ever in known, unknown forms were all manifestation of this infinite divine energy. All that exists is the manifestation of this infinite divine energy. All that will ever exist in any form, known, unknown, and that which is beyond known, unknown, is also the manifestation of this infinite divine energy. This underlying life force, this underlying infinite, indestructible, divine energy, the supreme life force, is consciousness. That is fundamental to everything. Everything that exists, not just living, but even the so-called non-living. Everything that exists and everything that is beyond existence, known, unknown, and that which is beyond known and unknown, are all parts and constituents and manifestation of this infinite divine energy. And Hinduism is the ever evolving transcendental science of consciousness. In mathematics, the most difficult question that mankind has ever been able to pose to itself and has never been able to solve it is, how big is infinite? How large is infinite? Let today Hinduism give you the answer, because only Hinduism can give the answer to this. Because Hinduism is the cosmic science of realizing the infinite. The answer to this puzzling and never ever solved mathematical problem, which states how large is infinite, how big is infinite. The answer to this question is actually very simple. The core characteristic of infinite is, the very fundamental characteristic that makes infinite infinite is that it is ever evolving, ever expanding, and it has the capacity to transcend itself by itself. That is the answer to this question. Similarly, in the similar vein, by similar analogy, Hinduism is the ever evolving, transcendental science of consciousness. This is the purest scientific definition of Hinduism, and its purest divine essence is known as Hindutva. Hindutva is the essence of the sum total of all divine realizations, all scientific innovations, all God realizations, all knowledge acquisitions of the supremely divine Ananta Akhanda Bharatiya Rishi Sanskriti, the supremely divine, eternal Bharatiya Rishi Sanskriti, which is the most eternal chain of God realizations of seekers and enlightened spiritual scientists who were true enlightened spiritual entrepreneurs and innovators. So this is the true divine definition of Hinduism and Hindutva. And anyone who is part of this divine tradition of seeking to ensure to manifest welfare of all those who are righteous is a Hindu. Hence, a Hindu is one who has internalized Shri Ram Tattva Mahasadhana, Shri Krishna Tattva Mahasadhana, Shri Buddhatva Mahasadhana, and implements the same through his day-to-day action, thereby realizing Shiva Shakti Mahasadhana for the welfare of the entire humanity, the entire planet Earth, the entire cosmos, especially for those who are righteous, who are rooted in Dharma. At the same time, a true Hindu ensures that all anti-human, anti-humanitarian, anti-humanity forces are annihilated and destroyed, as exemplified in the Param Sutra of Bhagavad Gita, as conveyed by Bhagavan Shri Krishna himself, Paritranaya sadhunam, vinashaya cha dushkritam, dharma sansthapanarthaya, sambhavami yuge yuge. Om Namah Shivaya.